The last one I did of these had a really cool stained glass window effect. So we're using different variations of blues, purples and violets, yellow and white as a separator color between the primary colors. Yes. I'm more than willing to take some ideas, maybe something that y'all are struggling with. Dang. But maybe take something that y'all are struggling with and make something more specific to you guys. Because let's be honest, some techniques are harder for others, and sometimes all it takes is that one person to explain it a certain way and it just clicks. So if you have any specific problems, please go down in the comment section, let me know. All right, let me get rid of these bubbles because slamming the cup down like that kind of forced some air. Now these bubbles are but we're gonna spin it gently to get these layers to kind of spread out. But I hope you guys are doing amazing. I'm having a great day. Great day. Now all those lighter layers are hidden underneath, and that's why we are going to dot some silicone on with a toothpick. So I have my coconut oil hair serum right here. With that, let's go. Right. It's already looking pretty cool. I'm liking it. But we are going to see these open up in real time. So I'm going to quickly time lapse this next little section so you can see these cells just continue to expand. Well, these cells have expanded a whole lot. And they're going to continue to grow a little. I wanted to kind of fill in some of the spaces I felt were a little bit bare, but right now they're really growing really well. So I'm going to pull this camera down so we can see all these cool layered colors within these cells. And I love it, guys. I hope you like it too. I mean, you can see all the tiny colors within all these cells. And with that churn of flipping the cup like I did, like you can see that yellow and blue created some really cool greens. We have some oranges now. Yeah, this one came out pretty cool.